Hi everyone, welcome in our channel. It's me SARITA from BFP Welfare Support Team. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an awesome, soft and beautiful play-doh at home. It's a great fun activity for kids, especially for young kids for art and craft projects. Before I start, I'm going to show you what we will need. Plain flour, 1 cup, salt, half cup, vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons, water, half cup, colors as you decide, and finally mixing bowl and a spoon to mix all the ingredients. Now I'm going to start to make play-doh. At first I'm going to pour plain flour in the mixing bowl, salt, and going to give a nice mix. Add oil, give nice mix again. After that, pour water gradually. While pouring water, don't forget to keep on stirring it. Mix, keep on mixing. Add a little bit water again and keep on mixing. When we reach on this stage, we can use our hands to knead it. We have to keep on kneading until 10 minutes or until it gets softer. Now it's been 10 minutes and our dough is ready. It's soft. If we want our colorful play-dohs, we can divide in different sections and we can put the colors in it. So I'm going to show you how we can do it. I'm going to divide into sections. At this point, now we can add the colors. I'm going to make green color. So I'm going to add some drops of color in here. Yellow color. Now I'm going to make yellow play-doh. So I'm going to put some drops of yellow food color in it. Our yellow color play-doh is ready. Here we go. Next we are going to make now brown color. Adding some drops of brown food color here. Here our brown play-doh is ready now. Finally, our colorful play-dohs are ready. With this, I'm going to make flower. Here we go, our flower is done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel.